and shade.
All aboard! Learning letters come along, no rain. Chugga chugga choo choo, off we go. Sing your ABCs, nice and slow. A is for apple, juicy and red. E is for egg, where we rest our head. C is for cat, with the soft little purr. D is for drum, boom boom, hear it stir. E is for elephant, big and gray. Wave your trunk and march this way. March, sing, sing along, learning letters, sing a song, color, spell, and dance with me. The happiest ABC you'll ever see. F is for fish that swim so fast. G is for giraffe, tall to the last. H is for hat you wear in the sun. I is for ice cream, one for everyone. J is for jump, let's hop like a frog. Croak, croak, leap over a log. Laugh, trace, sing along, learning letters in a song, color, spell, and dance with me. The happiest ABC you'll ever see. F is for kite that flies up high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for moon that lights the night. N is for nest tucked in just right. O is for octopus with 8 arms. He waves hello with wiggly charms. L is for P is for panda munching on bamboo. Q is for queen with the crown so new. R is for rainbow after the rain. S is for sun shining again. T is for turtle, slow and wise. He takes his time but wins the prize. U is for umbrella when skies are gray. V is for violin, we love to play. W is for whale, sing me low. X is for xylophone, ding ding go. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, black and brown. We rode the train, we sang the rhyme. Now we know our letters every time. Color, spell, and dance with time. That's the magic of ABC.
Yay! We're here! Look at the fireworks! Goodbye, ABC train! Subscribe to Sing and Shade. Like and share.
Check out our printables, link in bio or description.